guys are you guys are doing great. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. How do you feel?
I was just made aware of the score. I'm happy we're winning.
14. We're going to take this down.
I haven't seen you play yet.
I've been out there.
Have you had a major play?
We had 21 points, and I scored all 21 points.
Okay, what are your secret weapons? Is it the mental strategy, the physical prowess?
I just hang out with this one, and she's just like, her focus is insane.
My focus is inside a smart water bottle right now. It's pretty awesome.
What one person could show up here that you would definitely want to tackle and take down?
I mean, my husband. I'd love to take down John. We haven't been in together yet, but I know he's a huge fan of Aaron too, so I would like to see them go head-to-head.
I would like to go head-to-head with John. I'm a huge...
What?
Yeah, who wouldn't? He's fantastic. I love him.
You got this. Trust me. You got this.
Thank you, guys. Good luck for the rest of the game.